Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to show everyone how to get the C-clip out. As you can see, it just needs a hair more to come out. It just won't do it no matter what you do. So there's a little trick for that. You grab these shafts need to be pressed in a little more than you can by your hand. So get you a C-clip or one of those quick grips. You set it on here. Now I have something to hold the camera. I'll show you guys. Put it on just like this. I like to put it inside the groove, make sure it stays. Give it a little crank. And there you have it. Just like that, as you saw. Clamp it on. And that gives you the room. As you can see now. Okay, the magnet now has room to come out. That clip. So I hope this helps anybody else. I'll just have to spin that around. And there it is right there. See? All right, if you like this tip and you want to follow some neat builds, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.